Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TYHT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. And when you consider where the price was just on Thursday and all of a sudden close of Friday, the price is all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly made a very nice move. Now that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price move? And is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, what makes the most sense is, well, let's just kind of keep an eye on that level right there at $1.20. Why is $1.20 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, the price is not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about $1.20. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just quantifying and defining that phrase progress as $1.20. Now, what about levels of resistance going into next week? Pretty straightforward right now. The price tried several times today to get right up above $1.33 and couldn't quite do it. I guess I lied. Right there, the price temporarily did, but that didn't last very long. And then after the price fell back below it, no other times could the price get back above that area. So that is definitely going to be the key hurdle that needs to be cleared going into next week. All in all, though, great way to end the week. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum. We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.